kasi siyempre gusto nating malaman sino yung proponent eh. Nito pong Ghost Project po in Plaridel, Bulacan. No? So, ibig sabihin, it can actually be a congressman and it can actually be a senator. No? So, gusto natin malaman yung proseso ba nung Bicameral Conference Committee. Kasi to be very clear, this particular line item was never in the House General Appropriations Bill. So,
Wala
ibig
po sa
sabihin,
HGAB.
Wala po sa HGAB. So,
Okay.
it was basically inserted in the Bicam. So, I think the chairs of the Appropriations Committee and the Finance Committee can maybe shed light on the matter of who made that insertion.
Kung kailan ho siya babalik. I mean, isn't it important for you as chairman of the Infra Committee to actually have a definite answer on when Congressman Zaldico will come back to the Philippines, sir?
Hindi, mahalaga yon. Pero ultimately kasi siyempre, yung pong kongresista yung magpapasya kung babalik siya sa Pilipinas o hindi.
Kung
Kumbaga, I don't
babalik
think,
siya sa Pilipinas, sir. So meron pong posibilidad na baka hindi?
Hindi, kung kailan siya babalik sa Pilipinas.
Kung kailan.
No?
Okay.
Oh. So I think that needs to be clear. Kasi siya ho yung may medical condition, hindi naman ho yung mga miyembro ng Kongreso. Eh.
Yes.
So I think that question is most appropriately asked of him. No? Pero ang totoo din naman, bukod naman ho sa kanya, may mga ibang miyembro naman din ho ng BICAM na nandito na pwede hong tanungin.
Okay.
So, nung panahon po na yan, si former Senator Sani Angara, yung po na to, marami din mga miyembro ng BICAM na nakaupo pa rin ngayon. So, I think, pwede ho silang maunang maisalang.
Okay.
Pagka yan na po yung pinag-uusapan.
Okay, because that is left hanging, and because you have no definite answer from Congressman Zaldico, what about Senator Grace Poe? Have you invited her, and paano ho ba yung tinatawag na inter-parliamentary courtesy? Kahit na po alam natin na hindi na po senador si Senator Grace Poe.
Yeah, meron po siyang, it was a motion, it was approved, so I think as soon as she gets back, I don't think she is here, no? So as soon as she gets back from abroad, we will schedule a date kung kailan ho siya pwedeng maisalang at magpaliwanag. Not for the 2024 budget, but for the 2025 budget. Kasi she was the Finance Committee Chair po ng 2025.
In 2024, to be clear, was then Senator Angara.
Sani Angara.
Opo. So what about him?
Well, pwede ho natin siyang invite after ho nitong pagka naisalang po siya Senator Grace.
Wasn't the minority congressman also present during the BICAM? Congressman, if I'm not mistaken, Libanan?
Yes, the minority leader was also there.
Why not call him, sir?
Pwede rin, no? I don't think wala naman ng problema. I think he would be able to shed light on the details of the BICAM as well.
Pero siya din po ba sa 2024?
I think he was the minority leader from the beginning of the Marcos administration.